So in this video, I'm sharing tips on how to find good shoes at Goodwill. Shopping for shoes at thrift stores can be a treasure hunt, and I'm here to guide you through it. First things first, start by checking the shoe racks thoroughly. Goodwill organizes shoes by size, but sometimes shoes get misplaced. So take your time and go through each section. Look for quality brands. Some of the best deals at Goodwill are on well-known durable brands like Nike, Adidas, Clarks, or even some high-end brands if you're lucky. Next, check the condition of the shoes. Look at the soles for wear, especially around the heels. Make sure the shoe doesn't have cracks or serious damage. Also, don't forget to check the insides of the shoes. Make sure the lining is intact and there are no funky smells. And lastly, try the shoes on. Even though they might be labeled with your size, different brands fit differently. So always double check the fit before making your purchase. And there you go. With a bit of patience and these tips, you'll find some great shoes at Goodwill.